Hey loves, thanks so much for watching today's video. Make sure you're subscribed and let's get to it.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
One thing I always like to do before a holiday event where I'm prepping a lot of food is clean out the fridge. So I'm going to clean it out before I restock my groceries. So I know I have done lots of holiday prep with me videos and cleaning motivation and decor videos, but sometimes there are just like little things that you forget about during this time of year that can be so helpful. So this is your friendly reminder that if you are bringing any side dishes anywhere, I like just getting these, aluminum pans so then that way I don't have to worry about washing the dish and they get to keep the leftovers. And speaking of leftovers, I also like grabbing some of these meal prep containers just to have on hand for when I'm hosting so that I can send guests home with leftovers as well. I was looking through this catalog and I saw, sorry, there's like a glare. I saw this sweater and I thought that would be so cute for Christmas time. Do you think I should order it? Let's see how much it is. It says $49, but I think there's like some kind of code that they had in this. Let me know if you think I should order it. I have to fix my nail too, by the way. I just noticed. I know I shared this over on Instagram. I think I might have showed it in the last video, but I got a bunch of press-on nails for the first time. Like these didn't come with glue. Like they literally just like have almost like a plastic sticky that you unpeel and stick to your nails. And they've lasted almost a week now. Like the first one fell off yesterday, and honestly it's because I was gluing really heavy with my hands because we were working on Landon's room, which I'll give you an update on that in a second, but I would definitely recommend these, and they're like so cute and just, unique looking for the holidays. Like I love the like Santa finger. I don't know if it's gonna show up. Okay, hopefully there you can see how cute the little Santa finger is. I wanted to show you some progress on Landon's big boy room. So my stepdad came over today and installed the TV there. And there's a new fan. There was like a brown one before, so he put that in too. But we worked on this over the weekend. Me and Brad, hey, was in here doing it too. But I just am obsessed with this cloud ceiling. I feel like once we have like a pad I ordered that's gonna custom fit this space. Brad built this little like nook area too. Once the pad is in there, it will be so cool just to like lay on it and look up at this cloudy, cool sky. Landon has it just set on the blue. He said that was his favorite, but I feel like that is just such a fun little DIY project that we have going on in here. So here's how we DIY that light up cloud ceiling. First, we use the staple gun to attach poster board to the ceiling. Next, you stick on LED rope lights in a zigzag pattern. Then, using adhesive spray, put on buffalo snow or polyfill to the ceiling and make sure you cover up those lights. Ta-da! How cool does this look?
Yeah, let me get my phone because I want to record this too because I got a song I'm going to do this too on Instagram.
Let's get back to cleaning up the kitchen. I had some dishes to get done and I'm using my Cap and Clean Mary Berry cleaner to get these countertops sparkling and my home smelling like Christmas.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not.
There's like so much all over these floors. Needs to get vacuumed just so bad.
I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. He ain't ringing my bells no more.
Okay, the family room is tidied up. Kitchen is tidied up. I feel like when these two spaces are in order, I mentally just feel a million times better. I just realized when I look at the tree skirt, the cat keeps messing these all up, so let me fix that fast.
'Cause there will be someone who would not complain to drive all night, all day to celebrate.
I've got some laundry to do. I still hadn't fully unpacked from the Mommy and Me trip I took Hayden on, which was so special, but I need to take care of those clothes, and then I had some beds to make too.
I don't know what you want now, but I don't care. Oh, you ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, you miss out on love, and that's for sure.
And I just wanted to take a minute to talk to you guys because I know that this time of year can be very stressful. There can be so much going on. It can just be a really hard time of year too if you're going through a sad time or grieving time or a confusing time in your life. I definitely feel all of those things. And I was talking with my therapist about this, of how much the actual process of decorating and preparing for the holiday brings me so much joy, because the day itself can often be confusing and emotional and sort of a letdown. So I really try to focus on the enjoyment of the process. I think that's why I like to decorate early, and I, like to have everything really planned out, and I like to put a lot of thought into it so that I can enjoy the holiday season, then feel like one day that can get to be really emotional, especially, now that I am divorced and in this co-parenting relationship where on certain days I only get to see my kids for half the holiday, which, just wasn't what I envisioned when I became a mom, how my holidays were going to look with my kids. So you grieve that sense of loss of time and tradition that you thought you were going to have, and that family that you thought you were going to have during the holiday season, at least, with what I'm kind of going through. And I just know I even felt that way when I lost my dad too, of just, certain holidays without him there just weren't the same anymore. So all that being said, I am really, really grateful that BetterHelp is sponsoring today's video, because BetterHelp has helped me so much, especially during this time of year when I just need that extra support and somebody to talk to and get that professional advice for handling everything and feeling happier about my life and my situation. So I will have the link in my description box, or you can visit betterhelp.com/Brianna. It is so simple. You just take a very short quiz on their site to get matched with a licensed therapist. There's over 30,000 licensed therapists. If for some reason who you get matched with doesn't work for you, it is very easy to switch. I just like to tell everybody that if you're new to therapy, it's kind of like dating. You sort of have to sometimes date around and find the right match for you. So BetterHelp makes it very simple. And the other thing that I think is really great, just because this is a super busy time of year, and as a mom, I love that I can schedule my therapy session online. I can do it over video chat, I can do it over the phone. In between my sessions, I can chat with my therapist about anything that's come up, or if I have a question about something. So I love that it's so easy for me to schedule time for myself, because you put hours every single week into the gym to take care of your body. You should be putting, that hour of therapy into the week to take care of your mind and your mental health. So just know you are not alone. There's over 4 million other people using BetterHelp. I'm one of them. So if you need to talk to somebody, because this is a stressful time of year, there's tons of reasons why it could be really helpful. Visit betterhelp.com/Brianna, or use that link down in my description box. And by using that link, you're not only supporting my channel, but you are also getting 10% off of your first month of BetterHelp, so that you can see if therapy is right for you. So if you're struggling, if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're feeling, let down that maybe the holidays aren't going as you envisioned in your mind, I completely understand. No, you're not alone. I know that I'm sending you all the love. Making Hayden's new big boy bed. Seriously, how is he this big? He's about to turn 3. And I wanted to do a quick reorganize of his clothes and take out some of the summer stuff that he won't be wearing for a while, since it's gotten really cold here in Ohio. I really miss Hawaii.
Today it comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow.
Okay, I've been wanting to make this craft for Hayden's door to his room since he's so into Mickey right now. So I'm gonna make a Mickey Mouse ornament. So I've got 3 different sizes of ornaments I'm gonna do it like black, red, and white. Got these all from Target, and I'm just gonna use these plates then as sort of the outline then for me to know where to glue the ornaments to make it look like Mickey Mouse. So hopefully this will be a fun little craft.
For this day.
Okay, I just finished this up. I think as much as I'm gonna do. I keep like looking at it, adding a little bit more here and there, but I feel like that'll do. Go hang this on his door. Okay, I love how this turned out. I cannot wait for Hey to see it. All right, I have a white chicken chili recipe I'm making for lunch today to share with you guys. It's super easy and simple and just like really good cozy meal for this time of year. Okay, I've got olive oil in here and I'm gonna add in a diced up onion. And I've got a big heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm adding in some of these golden tomatoes that I chopped up. And then I've got the pulled rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. And then I've got a can of sweet white corn. And then a can of diced green chilies. Can of Rotel. And then 2 cans of Bush's white chili beans. And I don't drain the cans of the beans. And then I'm gonna add in a package of chili seasoning. There's usually a white chili seasoning that I like to use for this, but they didn't have it, so you can just use regular chili seasoning too. And I'm just gonna mix this all in and let it simmer on like medium low for ideally like 20 to 30 minutes so that the seasoning gets cooked really well. It gets nice and flavorful. All right, here we go. I topped it with some shredded pepper jack cheese, some chopped cilantro, sour cream, and those tortilla strips. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. Looks so good. You guys know I always have to have that taste test moment of truth. Mmm, so good.
You, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire.
One of my favorite things to do this time of year is put on Christmas movies at night by the fire. So even though I really hate folding laundry, it does make it a little bit better to sit here and fold when we're watching a good movie and enjoying the cozy fire.
Baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And just a reminder, you can get your Mary Berry Cap and Queen cleaning supplies at capandqueen.com. And I'm super excited because so many of you have reached out, disappointed that you missed out on Golden Autumn Apple, Pure Pumpkin, and Holiday House. And guess what? We have a really, really limited supply of these scents on capandqueen.com. So if you missed out and you would like them, head to the site, because if you order ASAP, it should arrive by Thanksgiving, like just depending on when you're seeing this video. I'm thinking like the day it comes out. If you order that day, you can have it by Thanksgiving so that your home smells wonderful. But I just love it. I have this candle pulled up because I think it's just the cutest hostess gift if you're like going somewhere and want to take something along as a thank you. I love the Home for the Holidays candle, but truly any of the candles or the room fresheners or the multi-surface cleaners or the hand soaps would be such a cute, whether it's a gift that you're giving to someone else or a little treat for yourself for when you're cleaning, so that your home smells extra nice and wonderful and you can enjoy that cleaning experience even more. You deserve it for all that hard work that you do. Visit capandqueen.com. This is another craft I've been wanting to do. So I framed, this is an 8x10 of the kids with Santa, and I have all these different little mini ornaments that I'm just gonna hot glue around the frame. I just finished it up. I love how this one turned out. I just think it's so fun and just relaxing to do this and kind of like fit them together. I don't know why. It's a very cathartic feeling craft. Let's see, where do I want to put this in here? I have the other one over there. I'm thinking probably that shelf there. There we go. I feel like that just kind of fits in perfectly, nestled in between these shelves here. And it's so crazy how fast the babies change in a year. Like I feel like Hayden looks so little, like his hair hadn't gotten cut then yet. Just crazy to me how quickly they change. Aww. But I feel like there's just so many projects going on right now. Like I'm kind of all over the place and trying to complete them. Like Landon's room. Obviously I was working on Hayden's room too. I still want to paint his bed. I still have to decorate my front porch for Christmas and do outside lights. And then there's just other little things that I kind of want to work on, like finishing touches here, so that then Thanksgiving weekend is when we like decorate the trees. So that's sort of like our tradition on Black Friday. Instead of going shopping, that's when we'd always go cut down our tree and decorate it when I was growing up. Now though, just because of so many different circumstances, haven't cut down trees for so long, because when I was married, it was like, there was always a health reason why we couldn't go chop down the tree and get it. We would still get a fresh tree a lot of times, so we would like buy it from this lot. My ex-father-in-law, he was really great. He'd always go like help us get it in his truck and everything like that. But I feel like eventually, just because of all the decorating stuff that I do, and now I've just like invested in these new trees here this year, and like living in Hawaii too, it just like wasn't conducive to chopping down a tree, you know? So I love and I like cherish that tradition as a kid, and maybe at some point, maybe when like the kids are older and can help a little bit more, we can bring that back. But for now, it's just easier on me to set up these trees right now, and I think they're so beautiful anyways. Like I'm so obsessed with them. So those will be getting decorated Thanksgiving weekend, and yeah, then I feel like then I can do like a full Christmas house tour. I'm just kind of like putting the finishing touches on some things. But if there's anything else you would like for me to share in upcoming videos this holiday season, let me know, because this is just most wonderful time of the year. I love it. Like my birthday's coming up, Christmas, Thanksgiving. I'm rambling. Let me know if you have any other requests. I love you guys so much, and just thanks so much for being here, and I'm wishing you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Thanksgiving, Merry everything. Bye, love.